ThinkBook 15 Gen 5. The ThinkBook 15 Gen 5 laptop's 13th Gen Intel Core processor is enhanced with Intel vPro Essentials. This technology, engineered for small business, maximizes productivity, enables smooth multitasking, assures premium connectivity and conferencing, keeps your data secure, and streamlines PC management. These business-class laptops deliver the power, flexibility, and built-in security needed to keep your business productive. Stay unplugged longer with rapid charging battery technology. Handles multitasking seamlessly with super-responsive Gen 4 SSD technology and supports dual SSDs, ideal for analytics, design engineers, and developers. Make every pixel count. The ThinkBook 15 Gen 5 laptop includes great graphics options. Choose integrated Intel UHD graphics, or if you really want to elevate your GPU firepower, go with Intel Iris Xe dedicated graphics. A high-resolution 39.62 cms, 15.6 FHD display is available with optional 100% sRGB color gamut for true-to-life visuals, and TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification helps prevent eye fatigue. Touchscreen models are available, too. Smart performance. The best laptops deliver results even when you're doing difficult tasks or working long hours. The ThinkBook 15 Gen 5 laptop won't let you down. Dual fan design easily handles thermal management. What's more, the intelligent cooling engine, ICE 5.0, keeps things running smoothly by automatically adjusting system performance based on fan speed, thermal capacity, and battery life. Keeps up with demanding tasks. The ThinkBook 15 Gen 5 laptop gives new meaning to multitasking, as it's designed to accommodate a busy workday. With Gen 4 SSD technology, support for up to 2 solid-state drives, SSDs, and large memory options, this laptop boasts super responsiveness, so you're sure to get your work done seamlessly. Choose the scalable configuration that suits your budget and know you can count on ThinkBook to meet your business needs.